Hello guys, and welcome to another video of this platform. Now today we're going to be talking about SmartLink, what it is, and basically how you can actually use it to make money. This is actually very good if you are into social media, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, X, or Facebook. This is basically designed for you. Now, how it works. Now, if you paste your smart link maybe on your social media post, right, and then the user clicks on it, then the user data is transferred, right? And then the AI analyzes the user's data based on geolocation, the device. Then that user is basically directed to relevant offers. So basically that's how the system works. Who can benefit from the smart link? There are many users, in fact, that benefits from this smart link, right? These include social media publishers, website owners, affiliate and media buyers, and advertising and CPA networks. Why choose Monetag SmartLink? Now, there are many reasons why you can do that. Now, the first one is that the platform has basically been around for a very long time, right? And they've established some strong relationships with advertisers across the world. And then they've high CPMs, meaning that they do pay a lot more money as compared to their competition. As an established network, they basically work with thousands of advertisers around the world, so which is great, right? And they also have optimized algorithms, which means they pick the most profitable offers based on your niche, which is also a great feature to have. And another benefit is that they do have fast payout, which means they pay basically weekly. And the minimum threshold is basically $5. And you do have many available withdrawal methods here. So in order to register on Monetag is basically simple. You simply come to join right here and then you click on it. Now this will take you to the sign up page. So here you can actually sign up using Google, or you can actually use maybe your email and your password and basically sign up. And then after that, you're going to be led through the platform. So once you reach here, you're going to be presented with this dashboard. Now, how do you locate the smart link? Now, the smart link is basically this direct link right here. So it's basically the same name. So as you can see that I do have two smart links that I still run. And I can actually click here to go to the statistics, as opposed maybe to click right here. And if I need to copy this link again, maybe I need to post it on another social media, I simply come to copy link right here and then go and paste it on my social media post. Now you can actually read on how you can use this link and probably get more insights. But again, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how you can actually use the smart link on either your social media post on Facebook or maybe on your website or whatever the case might be. And under the statistic right here, right, you do have the data range here. So this basically shows you maybe the statistics between different dates, right? And you can actually customize it here. And then you have the source, and you have the ad formats, and you have the country, the zone, the OS, and all those kind of things. So finally, you can actually export this data in an Excel sheet or spreadsheet. And if you come right down here, right, if you can see the date, also the impressions and stuff. Now, this is basically the impression that I've posted this link on another post, I think on Facebook or YouTube, I can't remember. So somebody click on this link and this is how it is going to show, right? These are the impressions, like how many times maybe people check the link or click on the link. And this here will be the CPM. Now, this CPM basically depends on people from different places. Like for example, somebody that is from maybe Europe or America or Canada will have a higher CPM as opposed to someone maybe that is maybe South America, India, Africa, or something like that. They will have maybe a lower CPM. So this is what advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 impressions. And next, we've got the payments. And here you're going to see a bunch of things, right? You're going to see the balance approved, the total balance that you have, maybe the amount of money that is on hold, and also the total withdrawals. So you are able to see your payment history. Yeah. Now the earnings, of course, this basically shows you the earnings from one specific date to another, then with the payment and the payment options. Now, the payment options, these are actually the methods in which you can actually receive your money. Maybe it's with the PayPal, Pioneer, things like that. As you can see here that you get $5 monthly, but payment settings, they are set for $5 via PayPal every month. And this is the minimum withdrawal amount. Each and every payment processor has its own balance or minimum withdrawal balance. Like for example, for Pioneer, it might be a little bit higher, but PayPal is very low. The same for the bank transfer and other methods as well. Then we have a referral program. So this is basically where you refer people. And when you refer people, you basically earn 5% of their revenue. So the process is basically simple. You share the link with your referral, right? And then your referral must register an account, verify it, of course, then use that link, right? And once they start bringing in traffic and they start earning, then you get rewarded 5% of the revenue. So that's how the referral basically works. Now, the referral is basically different from the direct link route. These are different links. So in order to get your referral link, you come here and you click get link. You will get a unique referral link, which you're going to share on either your website or maybe social media. And once referrals start sharing a link, you will start to see some statistics right here. As you can see, these are my referrals, right? And this is the email, this is the registration date, and how much revenue they've made. So it is important that your referrals basically participate on this platform, because if they don't, you're not getting paid. So assuming that you have an issue, probably you want to contact support, you have to come at their email right here and then simply contact them, and they will be happy to assist you with anything that might be bothering you. In order to learn more about how to use a SmartLink, they actually have different resources right here, which include videos and other blogs as well that you can actually read on how you can actually use SmartLink and actually make money on Monetag. So you do have to come here on their resources and actually click in any of these videos to learn more about this feature. Now in this case, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this direct link on your post. Now the very first thing to do is to actually copy the link and then go to a blog, which in this case I'm using Blogger, a free blogging website run by Google. Then simply highlight the text and then click on the insert link icon, and this will highlight like the link. Then you paste, then also apply, and the text will be underlined, and then you can publish the post. And you can also do the same thing on YouTube, right? You go to Monetag and basically copy the link, and then you can probably maybe write any text like basically maybe check these offers, and then you paste that link. Then after that you save. And on Facebook, you can go to your Facebook account page, create a post, paste the link, and then publish the post. Now in my case, I'm going to find an existing post and basically paste this link. So I'll scroll down a little bit, and then I'll click on edit, and then maybe write something like maybe check out this offer, and then paste the link. Then I'll say save. So this is basically how you can actually use your SmartLink and earn money for yourself. And thank you for watching this video.